Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn some important MCQs of general knowledge. The first question is International Mother Language Day celebrated on. So its answer is 21 February. So the next question is the International Court of Justice comprised how many judges? Its answer is 15. UN Security Council select the judges for the International Court of Justice for the period of its answer is 9 years. Kurt Waldheim served as Dash Fort Secretary General. Its answer is fourth. And the today's last question is Kurt Waldheim is an Austrian diplomat. So this is the whole video, and we will meet next time, next video. Bye.